The first program is to create a structure book with the details, book name, author and the number of pages. You read the details of n books and print it in a tabular format. The second question is to create a student database with the details, roll number, name and the total marks. And then you call the function sort, in which you pass the structure and get it sorted. And then you prepare the rank list and print it in a tabular format. So the first question, create a structure book with book name, author and pages. Read the details of n books and print it in a tabular format. Here we created a structure book with character name, character array name, character array author and pages is of integer. In the main program, you created a structure book B of 20. Means B is an array of structures where you can store the details of 20 books. Enter the number of books and hold the number of books that the user wants to enter. Using a for loop, you read the details of the book name, author and the pages. It will be stored in bi.name, b0, the first case I equal to 0, so b0.name, b0.author, b0.pages. I is incremented, I becomes 1 and again you are reading b1.name, b1.author, b1.pages. I incremented becomes 2, again you are reading the name, author and the pages. And the loop continues till you reach the value of n. In the next loop, it is used for printing the details in the tabular format. /t is used to give in space between the name, author and the pages. /n for the details to be printed in the next line. So after each book, we will be printing a /n. Here's an example output. You have entered the details of number of books as 3, entered the name, author and the pages of book 1, Java, Balaguruswamy and the number of pages is 450. Similarly, the details of the second and the third book has been entered. And you have got the details to be printed as in a tabular format. The second example is to create a student database. For that, we create a structure that stores the name, roll number, total mark and rank of the student. We read in the details. We sort the students depending upon the total mark and then assign roll numbers and then print the rank list in the tabular format. For this, you are using the function sort. You read the structure and pass to the function the array of structures which is then sorted. When you are passing structure to the function, actually you are passing by call by reference method. So any change in the formal arguments will be reflected back in the actual arguments. Here we have created a student structure with name, roll number, mark and rank. In the right side, we have a function sort that accepts an array of structure B of 20. And you have also n, which specifies how many students are there in the class. You have declared a temporary structure temp of the same data type student that is used for swapping. Like the other sorting functions, we are having two loops for I equal to 0, I less than n, for j equal to 0, j less than n. You are comparing bi of total mark and bj of total mark. If it is greater, you are swapping. So after the end of the outer loop, we will get the structure of students sorted order based on their total marks. Whoever is having the highest will be placed at the first on the list. In the main program, you have declared an array of structure student as 20. You are reading the number of students as n. Then you are reading using a loop For I equal to 0 till n, you are reading the name, roll number and mark of the student. And it is stored respectively in the member variables. After reading the details of the students, you are passing the structure S to the function sort. You are also passing the number of students n. In the function sort, you get the structure sorted based on the total mark. After the students has been sorted, using a for loop, you are assigning for the first student I plus 1, because I equal to 0, the first rank should be 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Next, I equal to 1, the next student's rank will be 1 plus 1, 2. So, S 0 dot rank will be 1, S 1 dot rank will be 2. Similarly, all the students will be given the rank. In the output statement, the rank of the students are displayed in a tabular format. Here is a sample output. Number of students equal to 4. You have entered the details of 4 students, the name, roll number, mark of the student. Using the function sort, the students has been sorted. Rank has been assigned from 1 to 4 and it is displayed in a tabular format.